Just great music, Bay FM 100.3, old 55, Ruby. It is 12 minutes to 12 and we're still sitting here with Madonna from Natural Therapies. We've been talking about all sorts of interesting things today.
Yeah.
But most importantly, you've just moved.
We have just moved. So I've reopened my clinic from home at 3 Maltemy Street, Manly West. So if you want to pop in and have a chat, send me an email, we'll organise a time. So the clinic number is 0417 643849 or send something on Messenger, whatever. And
you guys are easy to find anyway.
Yeah.
Just,
Oh, Google me.
Yeah.
Google me.
And if you're not sure, if you just don't want to Google, you can give us a call here at Bay FM and we'll give you all the info for Madonna. She is a wealth of knowledge. Absolutely.
Yeah.
I love having her. And she drives a really cool motorbike. So
I did.
Do you like my words? Drives, ride.
I did. Had a nice ride out here today. I felt like I needed some fun. Yeah.
Beautiful. I'm too paranoid to be riding anything. It's just not good. Look, we were talking about overreactive immune systems, underactive thyroids, things like that. Now, a lot of people do suffer from cold sores. So the herpes simplex virus, it's very different to the other herpes.
Yes.
And I have to put it out there that there's no way that can cross, if you know what I'm saying. Okay.
Yes.
So these viruses do live in the spine. They sit there dormant. And as soon as you're stressed out...
It's always about stress and exhaustion.
Exactly. Yeah. Imagine little soldiers, take it off, go, right, let's find a target point, let's go to the lip or the nose or the shoulders and boom, flare up.
Yes, I know, it's amazing, isn't it? And you'll always hear it. People say shingles and they think that's the reason they're coming to see me, but then once you go through that history of the last 1 year, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, you always see a bit of a story.
And
always.
It's quite common. Like a lot of people suffer from it, and it is a suffering thing.
Yeah, and of course, if you go to the doctor, there's a drug that you can take, but it needs to be within 24, 48 hours. So if people miss that original diagnosis, or because waiting for that to come back, waiting for the blood test to come back, that actually takes several days. So if your doctor isn't on it and not, like you just say they just, imagine if they thought it was something in your joints or just a rash or something, then it would be easy to sort of miss it, because it's not that easy to diagnose a lot of the time unless it's an obvious rash along the nerve plexus.
Yeah, and it is, it can be debilitating.
Yeah.
To the point where it feels like you've got glass, shards of glass hanging out of your skin. Look, from a natural perspective, I mean, for me, I'd be giving you calamine lotion just to soothe, to stop that, the prickling, and maybe an antihistamine, try and settle things down just a little bit while the doctor investigates. What would you do for natural therapy?
Well, even things like lavender oil externally. It's soothing, it's calming, it's reasonably cheap. Always get the 100% pure essential oils, because if they're not, it means they're just synthetic and they don't have a medical use. So 100% lavender oil is really calming and soothing. You can put in a little of a nice light oil base, so that you get more bang for your buck. But things like that can be really beneficial. Cool tepid baths, just to calm it down with, say, some Epsom salts or something in it to just calm the skin. Sort of things like we've got a product we use called Dermasoothe, and sometimes I will actually add some either herbal liquid to it or some essential oils to it so that it's more specific for shingles. Oh, but gee, it's nasty, isn't it?
Lavender oil is really good though.
Yeah.
And it does a lot of other things. It doesn't just soothe the skin, but you just inhaling it, the aromatherapy benefits
so it's
from
calming.
It's very calming. I mean, I love burning lavender oil in my house to keep things calm.
And then we've got microcurrent therapy as well. So there's actually some frequencies. So the TENS machine is for muscles. So people have been to the physio, they put the doodads on their muscles and it goes boom-pa-da-boom-pa-da-boom-pa-da-boom to stimulate the muscle activity. The microcurrent is a micro, I think it's... Anyway, so it's a different frequency to TENS machine, but it means we can target specific things like viruses, and there are specific antiviral frequencies that we can use on a microcurrent to really calm down that inflammation and infection as well.
Yeah, and it is is treatable.
Yeah.
Right now we're going to go off to a bit of a song. We're going to listen to Matchbox 20 with A Push. And then we'll be right back here at Bay Health on Bay FM 7 minutes to 12 with Madonna from New Leaf Natural Therapies.